Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super straightforward. How to sign into Twitter in 2025. Whether you're a new user or just need a quick refresher, this guide will get you logged in hassle-free. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Twitter app installed on your phone or tablet, or head over to twitter.com on your computer. If you're using a mobile device, open the app and look for the login screen. It's usually the first thing you see when you launch it. On the website, you'll find a Sign In button at the top right corner. Go ahead and click or tap that. Once you're on the login page, you'll need to enter your credentials. Start by typing in your username, email address, or phone number, whichever you used when you created your account. Twitter makes this flexible, so don't worry if you forget which one you picked. Next, enter your password in the designated field. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so double check for any caps or special characters. After that, hit the Sign In button. In 2025, Twitter might prompt you for two-factor authentication for added security. If it does, you'll get a code sent to your email or phone. Just enter that to verify it's really you. This step helps protect your account from unauthorized access, so it's a good thing. If you run into any issues, like a wrong password error, try resetting it through the Forgot Password link. Also, ensure your app is updated to the latest version, as Twitter frequently rolls out improvements. Once you're in, you'll land on your feed, ready to tweet, like, and connect. Signing into Twitter is quick and easy, taking less than a minute once you're familiar with it. If you're new, take a moment to explore the settings for personalized features. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video.